Now, India Today has accessed more details of NCB's probe into Bollywood drug case. Narcotics Bureau has now recovered voice notes of Riya Chakravarti and few others accused, where communication regarding procurement of drugs happened. In fact, this evidence was retrieved with the help of FSL and has been added in the charge sheet as well. Here's more information coming in on Riya Chakravarti's name being added in the charge sheet. Divyesh Singh joining us live for more details. Divyesh, do take us through this particular voice note that the NCB has recovered of Riya Chakravarti allegedly in communication regarding procurement of drugs. Now, this has also been mentioned in the charge sheet. Do elaborate for us.
Nabila, voice notes have been recovered by the NCB through FSL, through the Forensic Science Laboratory. Remember, they had sent various devices being used by Riya Chakravarti and other accused to the FSL for retrieval of deleted data, deleted videos and deleted audio messages or voice notes. These voice notes are incriminating in nature. That is what NCB sources have told us. These voice notes clearly point out that Riya Chakravarti, as per NCB sources, was procuring drugs or was communicating regarding drugs. So this is the direct evidence that has been found by the Narcotics Control Bureau, other than the evidences that they had, like statements of other people, statements of house helps of Sushant Singh Rajput and statements of other people connected to the case. These the voice notes are direct evidence. That is what NCB officials have told us, and these are incriminating in nature. Other than this, there are video chats which have also been recovered by the Narcotics Control Bureau. Locations of the drug peddlers have been analyzed, and that also has been found through their mobile tower locations, and that matches what has been mentioned in the FIR registered by NCB against the various peddlers and drug suppliers who've been arrested. As of now, the charged people are 33, which includes Riya Chakravarti, her brother Shovik, and Sushant Singh Rajput's house help Samuel Miranda, and Deepesh Sawant, and various others.
Right. Thank you very much, Divyesh, for joining us with those details. Now, it doesn't seem like trouble is over for Riya Chakravarti, Sushant Singh Rajput's girlfriend. In fact, the Narcotics Control Bureau has filed a charge sheet in Mumbai court in connection with Sushant Singh Rajput's drug case. Riya Chakravarti has been named as an accused number 10 in the charge sheet. Riya has already gone to jail for 28 days in the drugs case before the Bombay High Court granted her bail. A total of 33 others, including Riya's brother Shovik Chakravarti, Sushant Singh Rajput's house manager and cook Samuel Miranda, and Deepesh Sawant have also been mentioned. Ex-Dharma Productions employee Kshitij Prasad has also been named in the charge sheet. The charge sheet was prepared based on drugs recovered and forensic report of electronic devices that was found. The NCB registered drug case in August last year after a disclosure by the ED regarding messages discussing procurement of drugs. That has been drawn out with at least 33 names that have been mentioned in the charge sheet. We're looking at the charge sheet there, also naming Riya Chakravarti in the charge sheet. In fact, she is accused number 10. Riya Chakravarti is accused number 10. Here we're looking at several charges that have been slapped against Riya Chakravarti as well. We're going to take you through some of those charges against Riya Chakravarti currently. We're looking at Riya Chakravarti now accused of financing illicit drug trafficking. This is what the charge that has been slapped against in the charge sheet. We also are looking at Riya Chakravarti, the accusation here that she used Sushant Singh Rajput's house to store drugs. In fact, here the charge sheet says that Riya Chakravarti was very well aware of the drug consumption and procurement. In fact, she widely discussed drug procurement as well. And even chats, mobile records show drugs payments that was carried out where Riya Chakravarti was very much involved. And here we're looking at Riya Chakravarti being privy to all the payment of drugs for Sushant Singh Rajput. So basically saying that she knew very well exactly how it was purchased, who purchased it, and where it was brought. In fact, the house itself, Sushant Singh Rajput's house, was where it was delivered. She had full knowledge of brothers' drug deals. Shavik Chakravarti has also been named in the charge sheet. Here is Riya Chakravarti there, according to the NCB, knowing very well exactly how the drugs were procured, including all the deals that were done by her brother.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.